What's up, everybody? Welcome to our Elevate 21 Day Transformation Challenge. My name is Crystal. Some people call me Little Baller, and I am your personal results and transformation coach. Super excited and fired up to support you every single day. So, for those of you that are here for the very first time, welcome, welcome, welcome. For those of you that are returning to participate in this challenge, welcome back. So I just want to share some of the rules of the challenge. Now, in order to participate in the challenge, you get to purchase your nutrition program. You also get to pay a $15 buy-in fee. So all of the money that we collect is going to be paid out via raffle prizes and money prizes. Now, to win the raffle, and we'll talk more about this later, is going to be based upon your participation in our support group. But at the end of the challenge, we're picking winners for best transformation and total weight loss. So if you're here because you want to gain weight and you're like, I don't want to lose any weight, no problem. You still will have an opportunity to win. However, you cannot win in both categories. And what I mean by that is if we were to select you as a winner, and I'm looking forward to my folks winning, if we were to select you as a winner for most weight loss, you cannot also participate in the transformation. So again, to participate, you get to choose your nutrition program. If you are already a VIP member, you're simply going to go into your account and you're going to purchase a minimum of 100 volume points worth of product in order to be eligible to win the prizes. If you are here for the first time and you're not a VIP member, I'm going to send you the information to become a VIP member if you choose. If not, I'll send you the link to the website so that you can go in and pay full price to purchase your nutrition program. And let me just share quickly about our VIP program. It's very similar if you guys have like a wholesale store membership, a Sam's Club, BJ's, or Costco's. So what do? We go to those locations, we purchase a membership, and when do we pay more money? When we go back to the store, put products and groceries inside of our cart and check out. Well, our membership worked the same. It's $43 one time. It's for the whole year, and you start off by saving 20% off everything, and it go up through you purchasing through the months up to 40%. And what's also amazing about our VIP membership is that first of all, when you sign up, they send you a little sampler pack. And I just wanted to share that because sometimes people think when they pay the $43 that you're paying for your nutrition plan. You're just paying for your membership, but they send you a little sampler pack. After a year go by, you get to keep on going for $15 a year. So you don't even have to pay another $43. And just remember, depending on what state you're in, it may be a couple dollars more or a couple dollars less just based upon the taxes. If you need help with picking out your nutrition program, just reach out to me. I have some people that love our amazing mega teas. Then I have those of you that love our shakes. My number one suggestion is going to be to get on a shake and tea. So you will choose a Formula One, a protein. That's going to be your meal replacement shake. And then you're going to select your tea, and we're going to pair it with your aloe. The tea is going to boost your metabolism, burn some calories, give you amazing energy, and the aloe is going to help with your digestive system. So that's like the foundation of my suggestion. That's how when I started my nutrition plan, I dropped my first 35 pounds in 7 weeks. Not typical, but very possible. So if you have any other questions for me, please do not fail to ask. If you have any friends or family that may want to join you, please bring them along with you. I believe that each of us need all of us, and all of us need each of us. So for your $15 buy-in, you could pay that via Cash App or Zelle. Also, the challenge starts on the 2nd. I have a raffle going for everyone that complete their challenge entry before the end of the month, before the new month come in. For example, purchasing your nutrition program, sending in your $15 buy-in, that's your complete registration. I am doing a raffle. I do a raffle every single month for you guys that is, show up ready to go. And I'm always going to suggest that you purchase your nutrition program. Let's say the challenge start on the 2nd, maybe about 5 days before the challenge, so that your nutrition program will be delivered to your house right on time. Just be committed to becoming 1% better every day, and I promise you, you will reach your goal.